Yeah, Junior, my son. Why are you calling me from school by this time? And why are you crying? A boy beat you. And you're crying. How many times have I told you that if somebody beats you, you beat him back? He's your fellow child. You know what? I'm coming. I will use this one and teach that stupid boy a lesson. No. Don't stop me. I'm coming. I will show him something today.
Hello, officer. The boy is in primary 3B. Sharia Comprehensive Primary School. I've told you this before. No. But he's not a... He looks like a small boy, but he's not a small boy. The idiot said he's 9 years old. But I don't believe it. It's not true. I should tell you what happened. My son called me and said somebody beating me in school. I went to beat the person that beat my son. The only thing I remember is I put my hand in his shoulder. That's it. I blank out. I want you to go and arrest him. This is parents' molestation.